Welcome back to the channel, you guys. So today is day 1 on board the Royal Caribbean Spectrum of the Seas. Today's video, I'm just going to show you a room tour of the junior suite that we have booked and also whatever activities that may line up for today. So this is more like a vlog instead of a normal video. This is the entrance, and right now let's just move into the room. The first thing you would see is the closet that is right over there. There is nothing really much to say about this closet. It's quite huge. You have your ropes and then more hangers if you need them. Huge space, so you can actually put your luggage in there as well. And yep, that's it for here. And this is the entire room. So honestly, this room is quite big. If you open here, there is also another storage space for your clothes right here. And let me just get the bag out of the way. Okay. This is the bed, which you can actually change into a twin bed, so you can split the bed into half if I'm not wrong. Right here, you can split it. You can just call them to split the bed. And then over here, you have the phone, which you would need, some light, and thereafter you have your mirror, hello, and also the washroom. So the junior suite has a bathtub. Right here, you have the bathtub together with your shower head and then the toilet as well. And the cloth.
Guest safety briefing.
Coming from here.
We ask that you proceed directly.
Alright, continuing the room tour because of the intervention that we had with the cruise director. Right now, this is the overview of the room. I'm not sure where I stopped. I think I stopped at the toilet. But this is the bed, which can be converted into a twin bed. Just make a call and they'll come and set it up for you. Same goes for the sofa bed. You can change this into an extra bed. It's plenty of room, as you can see. You even have a resting area over there and great big enough room space. And here you have the coffee counter. So on board the junior suite, you actually have 2 coffees for free. So if you take a look here, they actually tell you that you have 2 complimentary coffees daily. But the shocking thing is that bottled water is actually chargeable. So I'm not sure where I can get water today, but I will let you guys know where can I get plain water. So coffee here for your usage if you ever need them. Boiling water and cups and spoons here as well. So entertainment TV. And then we move on to a working desk where you can do your work here if you need to. Dressing table as well. And the great part is that we have a balcony as well, and I will show you in a bit. The curtain is spread wide from room end to end. So it's actually quite wide as well, if you can see here. Let me just show you the overview. This is the entire spread. Okay, next up is the balcony. So let me just show you guys the balcony area. It's a huge balcony, honestly. Look at this. And then there you have the perfect view. Let me just show you guys. This is the view that we have right now. We are still in Singapore, so MBS is right over there. The Ferris wheel. And we are at the back of the ship, so at the butt of the ship, I would say. So this is the perfect view that we have. And you have 2 lounge beds here, which you can take a rest, enjoy the view when you depart. And yeah, it's a good place to start your morning here as well. It's honestly pretty huge. So yep, that is completely not soundproof. Alright, so this is the Royal Caribbean's Junior Suite on board the Spectrum of the Seas. Right now I'm gonna join my friends. So on board deck 16 is where you can get all the fun games and activities. So right downstairs is the bumper car activity. And in front are my friends playing this interactive screen here. And you have the table tennis over there and over there. Right there. And just now we were here playing the... do you call it the futsal? And then we have the bumper car.
Let's go find pizza.
面困.
Hello.
Hi! Pizza? Let's go! We are at Sorrento's Pizza. So this place offers you late night snacks all the way up until midnight and even later, sometimes 2-3 a.m. Official hours, you can check them out at the Royal Caribbean's app itself. They give you drinks and also an array of pizzas. Right now it's not fully replenished yet, but we got one of each to try them out. And stay tuned to the end and my friends will actually tell you how they feel the pizzas taste like as well. So this is one of the places where you can get water, although they have a tag there that says do not refill your own water bottle. How's the pizza? But you guys finished it.
I think it's because you're hungry.
Everything tastes nicer.
Yeah, tastes nicer. But it's actually like, yeah.
After exploring the ship to our heart's content, right now it's time for dinner. And for dinner tonight, we have chosen the main dining area. If you have chosen My Time Dining, make sure that when you board the cruise on day 1, you head over to the counter and make your daily reservations at a specific timing so that you don't have to queue for it. So how can I resist some bread, right? On day 1, you have the show at the theatre called Showgirls, and it was amazing. But apparently, this girl slept.
No, I didn't sleep. I woke up at the first part.
Okay.
In the middle, I don't know what happened.
But if you're coming on this cruise, day 1 Showgirls at the theatre at 9:30. It's a good show.
See you guys.
You cannot read. Okay, yeah, so that's all for today's video.